Good day to my dear students. Today we are going to learn Unit 8, Present Perfect, I have done, Part 2. Let's roll.
Quyidagi misolni o'rganing.
Have you traveled a lot, Jane?
Yes, I've been to lots of places.
Ko'p sayohat qilgansanmi, Jane?
Ha, men ko'p joylarda bo'lganman.
Really? Have you ever been to China?
Yes, I've been to China twice.
Rostdanmi? Hech Xitoyda bo'lgansanmi?
Ha, Xitoyda 2 marta bo'lganman.
What about India?
No, I haven't been to India.
Hindistondachi?
Yo'q, Hindistonda bo'lmaganman. Hozirgacha davom etib kelayotgan davr haqida so'zlanganda hozirgi tugallangan zamon qo'llaniladi. Bu misolda Dave va Jane'ning hozirgacha davom etib kelayotgan hayoti davomida sayohat qilgan joylar haqida suhbatlashmoqda. Yana bir qancha misollar.
Have you ever eaten caviar?
Hech ikra yegansanmi? Ya'ni hayotingda.
We've never had a car.
Bizda hech qachon mashinamiz bo'lmagan.
Susan really loves that film. She's seen it 8 times.
Susan bu filmni sevadi. Uni 8 marta ko'rgan.
What a boring film. It's the most boring film I've ever seen.
Qanday zerikarli film. Ko'rganlarim ichidan bu eng zerikarlisi.
Quyidagi misollarda ham so'zlovchilar hozirgacha davom etib kelayotgan davr haqida gapirmoqdalar.
Have you heard from George recently?
Bu yaqinda Georgedan xabar eshitdingmi?
I've met a lot of people in the last few days.
Oxirgi bir necha kunlarda ko'p odamlar bilan tanishdim.
We haven't had any problems so far.
Shu paytgacha bizda hech qanday muammo bo'lmadi.
I'm hungry. I haven't eaten anything since breakfast.
Qornim ochdi. Nonushtadan beri hech narsa yeganim yo'q.
It's nice to see you again. We haven't seen each other for a long time.
Seni ko'rganimdan xursandman. Ko'pdan beri uchrashmagandik.
Today, this morning, this evening, this year.
Va boshqa payt bo'laklari gapirilayotgan vaqtda hali tugamagan bo'lganida
Present perfect.
bilan qo'llaniladi.
I've drunk 4 cups of coffee today.
Bugun 4 chashka qahva ichdim. Ehtimol bugungi kun tugashigacha yana icharman.
Have you had a holiday this year?
Bu yil ta'tilga chiqdingmi? Yil hali tugamagan, ehtimol hali chiqasan.
I haven't seen Tom this morning. Have you?
Tomni bugun ertalab ko'rmadim. Senchi? Ertalab hali tugamadi, Tomni hali ko'rish ehtimoli bor.
Ron hasn't worked very hard this term.
Ron bu semestr qattiq o'qigani yo'q. Semestr hali davom etmoqda.
Biror ish harakat birinchi marta sodir bo'lganligini ko'rsatish uchun
It's the first time something has happened. Present perfect.
tuzilmasi qo'llaniladi. Masalan,
Don is having a driving lesson. He is very nervous because it is his first lesson.
Don mashina haydash mashg'ulotida. U juda hayajonlanmoqda, chunki bu uning birinchi mashg'uloti.
It's the first time he has driven a car.
Bu uning birinchi marta mashina haydashi.
yoki
He has never driven a car before.
U avval hech ham mashina haydamagan.
Yana misollar.
Linda has lost her passport. It's the second time this has happened.
Linda pasportini yo'qotib qo'ydi. Bu ikkinchi marta sodir bo'lishi.
Roger is phoning his sister again. That's the third time he's phoned her this evening.
Roger yana opasiga qo'ng'iroq qilyapti. Bu kecha hisobidan u unga 3-chi marta qo'ng'iroq qilishi.
Shu bilan unit 8 o'z nihoyasiga yetdi. Endi odatdagidek Lexika.uz saytiga kirib, ushbu unitga tegishli savollarni yechishingiz mumkin. Ushbu rolikka like qo'yib, komment yozish esdan chiqmasin. Bu bizga juda katta yordam beradi. Omad!